Have you ever thought of visiting your dream European destinations but came across a problem like ऑफिस से छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही है तो बस 7 दिन की छुट्टी है or else I am very tight on budget or I have a budget a little bit I have a little bit of holidays left but then to make it possible I have to do a lot of planning, small hotel bookings, cab bookings, train bookings, food to eat, what not to think about, and that's when you're giving up. Then this video is exactly for you. And here's the secret: the easiest way to make all this possible is via cruising. Now I know many of you will plan to skip this video, however please stay till end because this is exactly possible. Whatever we have mentioned in the title of video is what exactly possible, and we are saying this with our tremendous experience of 16 cruises. On top of that, Mayur worked on a cruise ship, so we have immense experience and we have done a lot of mistakes just like you guys by doing a lot of packing, unpacking, booking so many hotels and nothing worked. But this is the best option worked for us and that's when we are suggesting you. So please stay till end. When you search on Europe destinations planning, you see a lot of videos for which hotels to book, where to eat, which places you should visit, which are budget friendly places. And we were thinking just like you that who will do all this planning and I do not have time to do all this and it's still not budget friendly and I'll be skipping one of the meals and not planning luxury holidays and I'm compromising on anything, and that's when we were like we don't want to do this. However, we found this option of cruising and it immensely helped us. This is the best thing one should do and we will definitely recommend it. Now let's see step by step how to make this possible. So firstly, make your bucket list of 10 countries where you dream to visit. Writing this bucket list will give you clear picture instead of falling for a trap of this country is cheaper so let's visit that. Rather, you will visit a country which you dreamed about. Now segregate these countries by continent. This step will help you choosing which cruise to choose, routes, flights, etc. Now next step is decide the duration and budget. We once tried cramming too much and came back exhausted. We don't want you to do the same mistake. Hence, you should learn from our mistakes, and that's when I'm saying that you should decide and choose your budget and decide on time so you know exactly which cruising to look for. And now choose a cruising which will cover your bucket list, which will cover your budget, your time. Here's the real magic. Your hotel moves with you and you wake up in a new country every day or in new city every day. Mayur's cruise experience taught us this is the easiest and most luxurious way to explore Europe. Cruises includes meal, entertainment, transport, perfect for everyone who want to be smart and stress-free traveler. We wasted money hoping flights. This is the one strategy that changed everything for us. If you are still watching this video, which means you are one of those traveler who doesn't hesitate in trying smarter means of traveling, just like us. If you do found this video informative in any ways, then do consider to hit like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you are new to this concept of cruising, then we have created lot of videos such as 14 days of bliss at sea or Madeira travel, which will give you an idea at how you can travel to different cities and how this concept works. So don't miss these videos because here on Balance and Beyond, we believe the best life isn't about rushing or spending more. It's about traveling wisely, living in balance and enjoying every peaceful, joyful moment along the way. Before you go, tell us in a comment which European country tops your bucket list. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care and keep watching our videos.